Welcome to the Constipation Protocol page. This protocol is going to be for anyone dealing with mild to chronic constipation. Now you could have the constipation plus a bunch of other symptoms, or you could have the constipation by itself. But if you do have constipation, we are going to want to prioritize that symptom. Now, if you do have constipation plus reflux, I do want you to go back and go find the constipation reflux protocol. But otherwise, if you have constipation paired with any other digestive symptom, we want to start here. The reason that we're going to focus primarily on constipation has to do with the importance of gut motility. So if you can imagine you had a pipe, which is kind of an oversimplification of what the digestive tract is like, and that pipe was clogged and you couldn't move things through it, then it would make the other steps in our protocols really difficult. So our main gut health foundations are going to be to help clean up the gut and help rebuild your gut microbiome. But when we're clogged and we're backed up because of slow motility, this makes it even more complicated. It just makes it harder to do. So the reason why we're going to prioritize gut motility is so that we can kind of untie this really tangled knot and make the whole process much easier for you in the long run. And when we talk about gut motility, we're not just talking about the motility or the movement of food through your intestines. When we think about the digestive tract, the digestion actually starts in the mouth. It goes into the esophagus, into the stomach, into the small intestine, and then into the large intestine. So gut motility really kind of starts in the stomach. So if you may see some products in the protocol that are addressing more upper GI motility, that's because we want to make sure that everything is moving in the right direction. And that includes the entire GI tract, not just in the colon. Now, in my experience of working with many medical practitioners, many patients who have dealt with all kinds of symptoms, what I've really found is that taking this approach, taking this angle, focusing on motility first, tends to have better outcomes, and it works faster for people because you don't have to push through a bunch of uncomfortable symptoms. You don't have to aggressively stimulate the system in a way that the body becomes reliant upon. You can actually ease the system back into having proper motility. This will then allow us to go in and clean out the gut microbiome effectively and then help to rebuild so that you're able to maintain a healthy gut microbiome moving forward. The first step of this protocol is best if you follow it for about 60 to 90 days, and then after that we'll be able to move you on to the other steps in the gut health protocol, but this is really going to help build that foundation. And if you want to ever build anything, it's really important to lay a healthy foundation.